Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve exercise 6C and 6D. So let's start with exercise 6C. Before that, we learn two formulas. One is a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. The next one is a minus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So we will use these two formulas in exercise 6C. So let's start. In question number 1, we have to expand. In part A, 3a plus 2 whole cube, which is of the form a plus b whole cube. So we apply this formula over here. We get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. When we take the cube of this, we get 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27. So we have 27 over here, and then plus 2 power cube 8 plus 3 into 3 9 into 18 8 and 3a plus 2. So we have 27a cube plus 8 plus 18 into 3 54 a square plus 18 into 36a, and finally we have 27a cube plus 54 a square plus 36a plus 8. Let's move to question number 1 part D, which is 5 minus 2m whole cube. Now you can see that this is of the form a minus b whole cube. So we apply this formula over there. We have 5 cube minus 2m cube means a cube minus b cube plus minus 3ab into a minus b. So we have 5 cube is 125 and 2 cube is 8. So we have 8m cube minus 5 into 3 15 into 30m, and 5 minus 2m is still there. Now we have 1 to 5 minus 8m cube minus 30 into 5 150m plus 60m square. Now we write in the last step 1 to 5 minus 150m plus 60m square minus 8m cube. So we have written this last step in the ascending powers of m. Now we move to question number 2. In this question, we are given that if a plus 1 over a is 6, find a cube plus 1 over a cube. Find the value of this. So we start from here. We have a plus 1 over a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 into a into 1 over a into a plus 1 over a, which is the formula 1. We have applied this formula over here. A is cancelled with a, and we are left with the value of a plus 1 over a is 6. So it is 6 cube, which is equal to a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 over a is again 6. Now 6 into 3 18, and 6 power 3 is 216. We shift this 18 to the right hand side and we get 198 is equal to a cube plus 1 over a cube. Now next move to question number 3. We are given that if c minus 1 over c is 3, find c cube minus 1 over c cube. Now we have the formula c minus 1 over c whole cube is equal to c cube minus 1 over c cube minus 3c into 1 over c minus 1 over c. So we have used the second formula over there. We get 3 cube is equal to c cube minus 1 over c cube minus 3 into 3. So we have 27 equal to c cube minus 1 over c cube minus 9. We shift this 9 to the right hand side to get 27 plus 9, which is equal to 36 equal to c cube minus 1 over c cube, which is the required value. Dear students, now we start exercise 6D. In this exercise, we are given two simultaneous linear equations, and we have to find the solution of these linear equations. So let's start. In question number 1, solve by using substitution method. So we have two methods to solve the simultaneous linear equations. One is by using substitution method and the another one is by elimination method. So in question number 1 we use substitution method. So we have in part A x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 7. We call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So let's start. What is the method from 1? We take the value of x, we shift this y to the other side, we get x equal to y plus 5 and we call this equation as 3. Now put this value of x from 3 in equation 2. So we get y plus 5. In replace of this x, we put y plus 5 plus y is equal to 7. So we have 2y is equal to y plus y 2y and 5 is shifted to the other side. 7 plus 5 is equal to 2. From here we get y is equal to 2 over 2 which is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. We put this value of y in equation 1 which is this and we get x is equal to 6. So this is very simple, no problem at all. In part C, again we are given two equations, x plus 5 13, we call it 1 and 3x minus 5y is equal to 7, we call this equation 2. Now we take the value of x from equation 1 which is equal to 13 minus y and we call this equation 3. We put this value of x from 3 in equation 2, so we have 3 into x which is this minus 5y is equal to 7. 13 into 3, 39 minus 3y minus 5y is equal to 7. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8, 39. 8y is shifted to the other side. 8y is equal to 39 minus 7, 32. So we have y is equal to 4. We put this value of y is equal to 4 in equation 1 and get x is equal to 9. Now we have question number 2, solved by using elimination method. In part B, we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 9, 2x minus 2y is equal to 7 and we call these equations 1 and 2. Now we subtract equation 2 from 1. When we subtract 2 from 1, the signs will be changed. The sign here it is positive, it will be converted into minus and then this minus will be into plus and also plus is converted into minus. You can see that these two are cancelled and we get 3 minus 2 is equal to x and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So we have x is equal to 2. We put this value of x is equal to 2 in equation 1 and we get y is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is very simple, you can easily solve this. Now we move to the last part of this exercise, part C. 3x plus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 3. Both of these are 1 and 2. Now subtracting 2 from 1. When we subtract 2 from 1, this y will be cancelled because the signs are changed. This y will be cancelled and we get 3 minus 1 2x and 5 minus 3 2. So x is equal to 1. This is the value and when we put this x equal to 1 and 2, we get y equal to 2. So we have x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 are the solutions of these two simultaneous linear equations. Thank you.